Hello, social media friends. I'm Viridiana Marquez with DRB Media Communications Digital News, and Danny Barrera has the story.
The City of Odessa and the COVID-19 mobile testing team resumed COVID-19 testing at McKinney Park on Wednesday, September 16th. 200 free tests were available on a first-come, first-served basis. The morning's response was slow but steady.
In our first round of testing, when there was an uptick of COVID in our community, we really had 200 plus people at each event. So we expected a little bit of a slowdown. I think the more that we're experiencing and living with this pandemic, the maybe more that our vigilance drops. And so we want to make sure that people understand that if you have symptoms, if you've been exposed to somebody who's positive, if you're worried about then passing the virus on to someone else, it is important that you get tested.
As residents adjust to the new normal and living with COVID-19, many people neglect wearing a mask.
We want to spread facts, not fear, and we want people to be tested if they need to be tested. If you have symptoms, if you're worried about exposing others, if you work in a high-risk area like healthcare providers, we just want to be able to provide a free, easy, and rather quick way to get tested. You're in and out within 5 minutes. We are seeing the results come back a lot sooner than the first round, so we're hoping even for 3 to 5 days of turnaround, if not sooner.
Residents of Odessa that go through the line to get tested receive a goodie bag containing information on COVID-19, hand sanitizer, and a free mask.
So I know that a lot of people are still saying, are masks effective, are they not? And at the end of the day, it is proven they are effective. We do need to do our part. And even if it's something so small as wearing a mask when you're walking into a store and it's going to save someone else's life, then it's worth it to be a little selfless and just do the right thing by wearing a mask. When we sneeze, when we cough, more than likely our mask can hold that in and then it doesn't spread to others.
The next COVID-19 testing site will be at the UT Permian Basin soccer field Wednesday, September 23rd from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. No registration necessary. For DRB Media Communications Digital News, Danny Barrera.
Thank you for following us on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Also at DannyVisionEntertainment.com. For DRB Media Communications Digital News, Viridiana Marquez.